A new morning brings a new hope, the beginning of a fresh journey. Hello and a big high five to all of you guys. This is Ishita. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to a new vlog. Okay, so this is the outside campus of the Hotel Sunscape, and right now it's almost 7:30 o'clock. We have just started roaming around the campus to explore the place. So I'm just going to show you the entire outside campus of the Hotel Sunscape. So let's have a look. This is one of the entrances of the Hotel Sunscape, where you can get the direct access of the restaurants. And this is the outside view. In the inside campus of the hotel, you can get lot of options to buy. So from the clothes to the health drink or any kind of emergency medicines, you can get everything. Now I'm gonna talk about this beauty salon and spa. So if you are extremely tired and you wanna take some spa services, you can contact with the service providers of the salon. They really give you a good deal, and we were two persons, so we had to pay 50 USD for taking this service. And the service was for 1 hour. Okay, so now I'm gonna give you a quick room tour. Okay, so I'm just gonna start from the entrance. So this is the entrance, and they have just given two bedrooms, two queen size bed. So here it is, one, and the other one is this. The room is quite good. It is nicely decorated, but we were expecting a little bit more, honestly. Here we have one coffee machine, so if you wanna have some coffee, you can just make it. And this is the fridge. Let me just open it up, okay? 1 second. So we have several stuffs inside the fridge. We have some Coke, Sprite, beer, water, and so on. The TV, and some cupboards to keep some stuffs, and here is the wardrobe. Just gonna show you the washroom view. The washroom is actually nice, and it's small but it's nice. They have given some stuffs like some conditioners, shampoos, and some bath stuffs, and here is the bath area. So yeah, that's it. There is no bathtub here, but it's good. Now I'm just gonna show you the most exciting part of this hotel room in fact. So this is the balcony area. Let me just give you a quick look. So here is the balcony, and we have some partial ocean view so that you can just chill out after having dinner for some times. So here is the entire look. You can see a lot of people are there in the swimming pool, and yeah, it's quite crowded. We were not expecting that much of crowd, honestly. Okay guys, so far you have seen the day view of Hotel Sunscape. So right now I'm just gonna show you the night view, so you can compare which one is better. In every evening, they make a firecracker show, which is like amazing. Okay, so before I end up this video, let me just give you some pros and cons of this hotel, so that before you just book the hotel, you can get an overview. First and foremost is the overall experience of the hotel was really good, but there are some of the areas where I have identified that they need to improve their services. So if you have to access Wi-Fi in your room, so you will have to pay for it. Okay, so the Wi-Fi access is only available in the hotel lobby, so which is quite bad, because every time you will have to come to the lobby to get the access. And so I would just like to suggest the service provider to improve on that particular area, so that all the guests can get the access from their room. And one more thing I have noticed, that the seating capacity of the restaurants was really limited in terms of the crowd. I mean, in terms of the number of guests in the hotel. So basically, maybe due to the COVID protocol, they have just maintained this kind of distance and distance seating arrangement. But I would like to highlight this particular issue, because the waiting time for having lunch or dinner or anything was very, very long, which was quite disappointing. So now coming back to the positive aspects, the positive aspects of the hotel is lot, honestly. Whenever you will just get down from the car, and you will be extremely tired because of this long journey, they will just greet you with a welcome drink, which will be quite refreshing. So it was highly impressive for me as well, because this was really a nice gesture. The attitude and the behavior of the service providers are really, really wonderful. They all are very much professional. They did not have any kind of aggressive attitude towards you. From the service providers of the restaurant to the hotel receptionist, everyone was very compassionate and empathetic towards the guests, which was quite impressive for me as well. So, and the service, the quality of the food, everything was perfect. Okay, especially I would like to highlight one thing. So basically in this particular hotel, so probably you will have to take all inclusive. Okay, breakfast, lunch and dinner we had to follow the same. So in the lunch time we had to take a buffet, which was quite good, the food quality and everything. But in the dinner time you will get an option to go for an Italian restaurant. And let me tell you something, guys, the quality of the food was wonderful. It was like too good. I mean, I would like to suggest you to prefer the Italian restaurant first and then to go for a buffet. So that's it. And so let's just come to the budget part. It was for 2 nights and 3 days. So the entire price was for $310, and everything was inclusive, like the breakfast, lunch and dinner. So this was the whole price, so it was quite good. So basically, if you want me to give the overall review about this hotel, so I would like to say that it's overall good. So the areas that I have identified that they can improve their services, that I have already told you.
Alright guys, so that's all for today. If you really like my channel and the videos, please do like, comment, share and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Thank you so much. Have a lovely days ahead.
And we have just okay guys, so far I have okay guys, so equivalent INR in the description.